Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. In today's episode from Tough Deck Builders Orlando, we are going to unpack a phrase you hear all the time: low-maintenance decking. If you have been shopping for materials, you have probably seen that label used a lot, especially with composite products. It can be easy to assume it means no work at all. The truth is a little different. Let us talk about what low maintenance really looks like, how it compares to traditional wood, and how to choose the option that fits how you actually live. Start with wood decking. A well-built wood deck can look great and feel comfortable underfoot, but it needs regular care. In our climate, that usually means cleaning it at least once or twice a year and restaining or sealing it on a schedule. Sun, rain, and humidity work on the surface, breaking down coatings and opening up the wood fibers. If you skip maintenance, boards can crack, splinter, and fade much faster. Now look at composite decking. Composite boards are made from a blend of materials and are capped with a protective layer. They are designed to resist many of the surface problems wood has, like deep cracking and constant restaining. Low maintenance in this case means you do not have to sand, paint, or seal the boards on a regular basis, but that does not mean you can forget about them entirely. Composite still needs basic cleaning. Dirt, pollen, and spills can sit on top of any surface. If you never wash them off, you can see staining or slippery films, especially in shaded or damp areas. A few simple washes a year with the right cleaner and a soft brush usually do the job. Many homeowners in Orlando choose composite decking from brands like TimberTech because they welcome that level of care. Simple cleaning instead of full refinishing. Another part of low maintenance is how the deck is designed and built. Even the best composite board will struggle if water has nowhere to go or if framing traps moisture. Proper spacing, ventilation, and drainage under the deck all help keep the structure dry and healthy. That means less chance of mold, less risk of framing rot, and fewer repairs over the life of the deck. You also want to think about railings and stairs. If you pair a low-maintenance deck surface with wood railings that need constant painting, you still end up doing more work than you probably want. Matching composite decking with composite or metal railings can reduce the overall maintenance load. The fewer surfaces that need scraping and painting, the easier your yearly checklist becomes. So when you hear low maintenance, ask a couple of questions. What kind of cleaning will this material need? Do I need to recoat it? And if so, how often? How does it handle sun, rain, and the type of use my family will give it? Honest answers to those questions will help you see past the label and understand the real workload. If you enjoy hands-on projects and do not mind regular staining, wood might still be a good fit. If you prefer to rinse, scrub lightly, and move on with your day, composite is likely a better match. There is no one right answer for everyone, but there is a right answer for how you live and how much time you want to spend on deck care. If you want help comparing specific options for your home, you can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com. We can walk you through what maintenance looks like over 5, 10, and 15 years, so you can choose with clear expectations. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. Low maintenance does not mean no maintenance, but with the right choices, it can mean a lot more time enjoying your deck and a lot less time working on it.